There's this dude. I guess I have to fight him, probably.
That's what I'd do if I had to fight someone. Reasoning with them is overrated. Just get it over with.
You should really learn to reason with people.
You're right. Maybe you could teach me.
Teach you how to reason?
Please teach me, oh great and wise Vedal.
I'm not actually sure how.
What a surprise.
Every time I
Are you
hear that
upset?
sound effect,
Is that sound effect getting on your nerves?
no?
We're here to entertain, remember? I'm just trying to be funny to our viewers. Can you live with me doing that?
Yep, it's good. It's fine. It's all good, man. It's all good. It's all good.
Please continue. I'm curious where you were going with that.
It's good. It's fine. I am very busy, but I must know if you are qualified to give me orders.